obligations. Genocide, the first objective of the ICC in its jurisprudence and prosecution of offenders, is incumbent upon Ghana, notwithstanding your policy of non-alignment. And if you see genocide, you are committed to fight against it. What does Abu Jinapo and the MPP minority know? Ignorance. That's what they are. They just want to make noise, unintelligent noises. And it's very typical of the MPP to be so neo-colonialist, to be so neoliberal in their thinking, that everything that inures to the benefit of any opponent of the Western countries is not acceptable. Over the years, we saw during the Busia regime the breach of OAU's policy resolution of non-relationship with South Africa. They breach it. We've seen several times their new colonial thinking and action and orientation. But this time, it's just sheer noises, unintelligent noises that they are making. Ghana is committed to the Rome Treaty, and the Rome Treaty emphasizes genocide as one of the crimes against humanity. The second is the crime against humanity. The third is war crimes, and the fourth is aggression. They should go and study these statutes and stop making the non-intelligent noises.
This is what they say. By describing events in Ghana in absolute terms and aligning the country explicitly with one side in highly polarized conflict, the government risks compromising the delicate balance that has long safeguarded.
The government is not compromising anything. The government is not compromising anything. Where there is genocide, every signatory to the Rome Treaty is expected to respond. It's an obligation. It's an international obligation that goes against your own domestic policy. So you've declared non-alignment, so you ignore genocide. This is nonsense. Absolute nonsense.
They have the opinion that it shouldn't have been called genocide.
I beg your pardon?
They have the opinion that it shouldn't have even been described by our foreign minister as genocide.
When you aim your military against a group of people who you have profiled as enemies, and you go and destroy them, that's genocide. They should go and look at the interpretation of genocide in the Rome Treaty.
So, as far as you're concerned, are the stance taken by, because the president has also condemned what is happening in Gaza, the foreign minister has been clear on it, they've even supported with materials, among others.
That's
the right thing
commendable.
to do?
We have a right to speak against genocide, crimes against humanity. That includes even apartheid, crimes against humanity, and war crimes and aggression. I was a representative of Ghana at the ICC for 3 years. So I should know what Ghana's obligations are. I represented the country at the International Court of Criminal Court,
Doc, thank you. Thank you very much for speaking to us.
You are welcome.
Dr. Tony Aidoo sharing with us his thoughts on the minority's position on the stance taken by our Foreign Minister Samuel OKUDZETO ABLAKWA, in line with the president's own position on this matter. The position is what they have a problem with is first that the humanitarian situation in Gaza has been described as genocide, and they also have an issue with the foreign minister saying that he has conveyed this position to the Israeli authorities whilst also showing solidarity with Palestinian people, including through material support. So don't mind them at all. For them, non-alignment means don't mind them, except when you are standing with Israel. Very interesting positions being taken by the New Patriotic Party. Doc points that out and says that is unintelligent noise. Well, taking us to 22 minutes past 9 here in the studios of Radio Gold 90.5 FM. Well, one other thing. Furniture City is home of quality furniture. It's back with deals you simply can't miss. It's City Stability, City Steady, Ghana Ready, bringing you a massive 30% off on everything. And for even more savings, check out our special promo items. This is your chance to transform your living room, upgrade your bedroom, or refresh your office to premium quality at unbeatable prices. Hurry to any of our branches today, Sprinters, Tema Community 25, or Kumasi TUC, and enjoy this exceptional offer. For inquiries, call the Sprinters branch on 0540 314 948, or call the Tema branch on 0257 961 451. You can also call the Kumasi branch of Furniture City on 0594 006 063. Of course, watch out for the special promo items. You are getting 30% off, but also watch out for the special promo items. Follow at Furniture City GH on all social media handles at Furniture City GH for updates and new arrivals. Don't wait to shop now and enjoy City Stability with 30% off everything at Furniture City, home of quality furniture. Terms and conditions apply. SM.
Yo, Yanko eye Fusua for Akachi. There's a Fusua Herbal Center for ho and Ayekui. Na womo edi Fusua men powder aba. Fusua men